How to delete Telegram bot permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete a Telegram bot that you have created. Deleting a bot is quick and straightforward, but make sure you want to remove it because this action is permanent and cannot be undone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So for this, you first of all have to open the Telegram app. Once you have opened it, you have to go to the bot you want to delete. Once you are here, you just have to search for the My Bots in the My Bot section. But before you have to type this start button for this, you just have to type slash and then start once you have started the chart. Now you have to type slash my bot. Simply type that and tab on my bot. Once you type that, your bots will be shown here, so you just have to tap on that to start, and there will be the option to delete your bot. And you just have to tap on that again, and your bot will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.